Ormy, that is, it's like a suburb of San Antonio, okay? So the San Antonio market, you all are aware that San Antonio, it's a nice southern growth state. A lot of people are moving to Texas these days. I have something extremely special today. How about a freaking 4.625% interest rate on this thing? That's right, 4.625% interest rate in 2025. What you buy might not even be as important as how you buy it, right? That's especially true when it comes to real estate investing, and it's especially true with financing, right? Where are we right now? We're in 2025, and holy moly, man, it has been a wild ride the last few years in terms of interest rates. Am I right? Like we're lapping life up, living the life of luxury with those super low rates for the last 10 years. And then bam, they pretty much doubled on us, right? We're talking like 7-8% interest rates now, okay? That all stops today with the opportunity that I have for you guys, right? This is coming to you guys from my friends over at Rent to Retirement, okay? This is a single family model home. Okay, brand new construction, already leased out, $2,120 a month is what you get. The price point is $292,900. Okay, the house, it's very, very nice. Ormy, that is, it's like a suburb of San Antonio. Okay, so the San Antonio market, you all are aware that San Antonio, it's a nice southern growth state. A lot of people are moving to Texas these days, right? Mostly because folks are like trying to flee California, right? It's all well and good, right? High-end new house. You don't have to deal with a bunch of like 100-year-old maintenance and things of that nature, right? Very good, very nice. All in all, good investment, okay? But none of that is going to hit you with the wow factor. That's all well and good. That's great. That's things that Rent to Retirement can do for you guys all the time. However, I have something extremely special today. How about a freaking 4.625% interest rate on this thing? That's right. 4.625% interest rate in 2025. When you work with Rent to Retirement to get these things, they work everything for you, right? They put you together, builders, property managers, financing, the whole shebang. They put the whole package together for you guys. And with their vendor incentives that they're offering right now, you can get this property with a 30-year loan at 4.625% interest rate. There ain't nobody else anywhere else offering you guys high-quality rental properties in the San Antonio market at an interest rate of 4.625%. This thing's going to make you money today, tomorrow, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Reach out to my friends over at Rent to Retirement to discuss the details.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.